Well, thank you so much for joining us on the second half of the show. But let's move quickly to the commodities market and see what is playing out around that space. First, gold, silver, copper, and platinum as always. Gold is $4,025.50. That's for an ounce of gold. Silver is $48.56 for an ounce of silver. Copper is $501.90, while platinum is $1,574.71. And let's see the change that we have on all of these commodities today. Positive 32.60, positive 0.53 for silver. Copper is positive 3.30, while platinum is positive 12.00. For percentage points now, gold is 0.82% in positive. Silver is 1.10% in positive, while copper is 0.66% in green. Platinum is 0.74%, also swimming in green. Now for corn, wheat, cocoa, and cotton. Corn is $433.75 for a metric ton of corn. Wheat is $551 for a metric ton. Cocoa is $6,469, while cotton is $65.04 for a metric ton of these commodities. The change here, they're all in red, negative 1.50, negative 3.75, negative 212.0, negative 0.19. For percentage points, 0.34% down in red, wheat is 0.68% down in red, and cocoa is 3.17% down in red, while cotton is 0.29% also down in red. Asian shares rose today, partially reversing a steep sell-off from the previous session after a better than expected United States economic data drew investors back into markets trading near record highs. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei was up 1.4%. That's it here, after sliding 2.5%. South Korea Kospi also jumped 2%, and after open, pairing some gains to last trade at 0.8% higher. MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside of Japan rose 0.76%. Stock markets suffered a heavy sell-off in Asia as concerns about stretched valuations spooked investors. Well, Nasdaq features now here swimming in red, bloody nose, with S&P 500, both of them are in red, 0.17%, 0.09%, giving up some of their gains from the overnight cash session. Now, Eurostock 50 features also dipped in red, 0.02%, while FTSE features is slipping 0.05%, also in red. In China, Shanghai's benchmark stocks index reclaimed the psychologically important 4,000 levels as optimism over tech self-sufficiency boosted semiconductors and artificial intelligence-related shares. Crude oil prices regained a little ground today, buoyed by easing concerns over a potential supply glut as sanctions on Russian companies begin to bite. United States West Texas Intermediate crude $59.96 with an upsurge of 0.60%. Now Brent crude futures sells for $63.84, also positive 0.50%. For Bonny Light, it sells for $78.62 with a decline of 2.84%. And for the OPEC basket, dealers offer $65.43, also negative 1.59%.